Hello everyone. We are continuing our series of SQL 50. The next question in our that series is triangle judgment. This question is labeled as easy. As you can see on screen, there is a easy tag, and this problem is pretty straightforward and easy. But we need to know one thing. There is two part of this problem. First part, to understand the problem statement, okay, and then second part is to convert that problem statement, the consume the required information which will help us to solve this problem, and from that information build the queries, convert into that information, convert into SQL queries, and solve the question. That our two-part process. First part, let's understand the question. Let's first in first part we understand the question, and then we build queries. That's the two part of every problem we do in SQL 15 series. So let's start. Let's read first. Report every three line of segments where they can be formed a triangle. So written in any order. So first of all, as you can see here, the table given to us having three columns, right? X, Y, and Z. X, Y, Z columns. And let me tell you, these three columns are the sides. These three columns are represent the sides of a triangle. So triangle, we know triangle has three sides. Okay. So they want, in short, in nutshell, they want us to know which three sides are eligible to form a triangle. So what are the criteria to forming the triangle? So criteria forming a triangle. So criteria for forming a triangle is the sum of any two sides of a triangle should be greater than third side. Okay, let me what I mean by this. So here are 13, 15, and 30. So let's go here and with 13 comma first side 13, 15 second side, and third side is 30. So if we take 13 plus, so let me write the statement. Sum of any two sides of triangle should be greater than third side. Any two side greater than third side. So what is mean by this? So 13 plus 15 equal to, will be it's greater than, let me not putting any sign between them. 13. So here we go. So sum of 15 plus 13 is 28. It's equal to 28. Okay, and 18 is greater than 30 is false. Okay, if this is the false, so if we take 13 plus 30 is equal to 43, and 43 is greater than remaining side is 15 is also false. Okay, and remaining is yes, 15 plus 30 is equal to 45, and 45 is greater than remaining side is 13 is also false. So these three sides are not qualified to form a triangle, because the statement said sum of any two sides of a triangle should be greater than third side, but here is not satisfying that criteria. So we will So this will be not qualified as a triangle, so we'll put it here no. Okay, no, we will put it here no. So let see for this 10 sides, limit sides. Okay, and next we are checking for sides. I will use capital sides, given sides 10, 20 and 15. Okay, let's see, 10 first side, second side is 20. We are combining these two and is equal to, what is it? It is like 30. So 30 is greater, is compared with third side. Third side is 15, so true. True. Okay. Next we are combining 10 plus 20, 30 is 15 equal to what is it? 25 and 25, and compare, we are that sum we are the sum we get, we are comparing with remaining side, that is third side, that is in this case is 20, so it will be true here. So okay, and now we are saying 20 plus 15 is equal to 35. 35 is greater than 10, that's also true. True. So that means all three sides, we are combining three sides, first side, second side, first side with second side, second side with third side, then we are comparing that value with remaining. Okay, then if that all the condition will true, then this side, this all side are eligible for qualified for forming a triangle. So let me do here. Yes, yes, that, yes, and that's the actually output, that the actually output here, triangle, that's the output, that this is the output we want in out, that this is the output we want in the output. Okay, this is the table we want in the output. Let's try to code it using SQL. So i'm I'm doing this, I'm commenting it. So now let's see, so what we can do. So here we go, select, I will using star here, and I will using case statement, case when now we are converting that information, that run strategy into the SQL code, SQL query. So how we do it, we required here, we are combining two sides. Okay, we getting a sum from two side, then comparing with third side. Okay, here we required a case statement. So we will do x first side with sum of first and second side, and comparing with third side, that means z. Okay, we are doing this one. Okay, this one, if this is true, then I will send it 1, else I will send it 0. Okay, next, when first side, okay, first side plus third side greater than the second side, that means remaining third side, then 1, else 0. When second side plus third side is greater than first side, then 1, else 0. Okay, and we are ending the uh, yeah, we are ending here. That's it. But one thing is that mm, hmm, we do sum here. Sum. Okay. Then we are using again case statement. Case when sum is equal to 3 is less than 3, then no, else yes, yes, and this is the thing we are doing here. So let me put it here. I will use as triangle, as triangle, okay, and from triangle. That's it. Let's try to do this. Making some error, but where? I will use like this, and so, and first side plus third side, sum of third side is greater than first side, should be greater than first side, and one more thing here. I here y plus z is greater than x. No, xz greater than y here, and yes, that will then if this condition is true, then yes, and else no, and end of the statement, end of the case statement. As triangle, that's it. This is we want from this for this question. Next, let's try to run it as we do usually, checking for the first test case. Mm, let's see. Okay, now we are submitting for the multiple test cases. If all the test cases get accepted, then our solution get submitted successfully. Let's see. Now loading it. Yeah, our solution get accepted, and this is the pretty much code. This is the understanding of the problem. So we need to understand first the problem to arrive to this statement. So then this explanation, and then this, okay, and this is all the pretty much code for required for the solving this solution. And yes, this is SQL 50 series, and this is the question triangle judgment. So thanks for the watching, and keep coding.